And I don't know what this one is, but yeah, there's several of these furnaces around here. They're to melt iron ore down. I'll get a picture of the front of it. They're pretty big. They're about 60, 70 feet tall. Let's go around the side and the front. I'm over here by Dover, Tennessee. So I think these things are pretty cool, so I figured I'd do a quick video on it. So here's the front. And I did a picture of the sign. This one was made in 1873. I guess they melted. The original one was built in 1830, was destroyed by the Union forces, it says. And then they rebuilt this one. Watch out for I get a 55-mile-an-hour zone here. This is pretty cool. See if I get a shot from the road here before I get squashed. Yeah, we'll get out of the road. Well, yeah, this is Tennessee history here. I have no idea how they melted the ore down. I guess I could look it up. They got some steel braces in here. Pretty cool. If you look at the dirt around here, not really quite right here, but looks like some critters have been going through there and got a little hole. Look in here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go inside this. I guess it's been here since 1873. I don't think it's gonna fall down now, right? Oh, cool. It's perfectly round in the middle. Yeah, you can see these bricks are all like melted when they had their big fire in here. Wow, this thing's pretty cool. Doesn't look like much vandalism and graffiti, which is cool. That's pretty neat. There's another one in Land Between the Lakes, which isn't too far from here, and there's a city a little bit south from here called Cumberland Furnace. So I'd imagine there's some more furnaces in Cumberland Furnace. This looks like it's ready to fall down a little bit right there where those letters are on those rocks. Yeah, is this metal here? Yeah, this is metal here. That's all block. So the first one was built in 1830, and then the Union forces yeah, that's real heavy there. That feels like that's mostly iron right there. You can see where it's all like melted. Cool. Yeah, there's definitely something living in there. It's a little hole with all those little footprints. Alright, I'll get out of here. Just figure I'd show you guys these. Every time I drive by this, I just think it's so cool looking. Yeah, a chunk of metal in here. I wonder what kind of equipment they used back then to build this thing. Those guys must have been rugged bastards. Alright. A big hook there. Another one on the other side, and probably swang something in here and heated it up. I have no clue. A hole there. Cool. Yeah, it's only about 8 feet from the road. Hoping the big truck never takes it out. says something up there in the rocks. I can't see my screen at all. It's too sunny. We're between the lakes. Here's the bison, aka buffalo. Couple real big ones. Pretty cool. Some small calves. I think they got plenty to eat. They got probably, my guess, 50, 60 acres. Well, this is Land Between the Lakes State Park. I'm probably in Kentucky right now. That's my guess. I didn't see a sign for Kentucky, but I think I'm in Kentucky right now. Alright, I gotta show everyone the bison. Alright, here's the other furnace. This one's located in the Land Between the Lakes State Park. And this gives a description of how it works. So I'll slowly show each caption. If you want to pause, see how this thing works. Well, they actually had like a building on top of it at one time. It must have been huge. This one was built in 1855. Wow. Alright, let's go over there and look at it. But yeah, if you want to pause and read this, go ahead. This thing's pretty cool. Stewart County Iron Industry from 1820 to 1927. Wow. Make cannonballs and everything out of this thing. Yeah, this one looks like it's built exactly like the other one. Pretty cool. Yeah, there's a lot of iron in the ground around here. You know, like if, say you buy a brand new shovel and you leave it out in the rain, it's got that orange rust on it. Well, that's what all the dirt looks like around here. Like if you dig down here, you'll see it'll be all orange. This is limestone that they added to the road for traction. Yeah, these things, I bet you they'll be here a long time. I bet you 500 years from now, this thing will be sitting here just like it is now, probably. Cool. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to get out of here. Just out driving around today. See ya.